Hey business owners, are you ready to crush the 1099s this year? The clock's ticking. The deadline to file your 1099 NECs and miscellaneous forms is January 31st. If you paid $600 or more last year to vendors like freelancers, attorneys, or anyone that provided you services, then it's time to get those forms filed. They're required to be submitted to both the IRS and the contractor by the deadline to stay in the clear. It's super important to remember that the payments made by credit card, though, are actually excluded from the reporting. That's because the payment processing companies have their own 1099s to issue for those payments. If you're feeling frisky for 2025, you could actually pay everyone by credit card, rack up all those credit card points, and then you don't even have to worry about 1099s in 2025. But we're still in 2024 and you didn't do that yet. So make sure you obtain a Form W-9 from your vendors to ensure that you have accurate information for when you're completing a 1099. And then you have to make sure that you actually double check all the details on the form, as a simple mistake like the wrong name or the wrong social security number could actually spit back a notice from the IRS. The good news is, though, if the W-9 you get from them says that they're a corporation, you typically do not need to issue a 1099 to them. However, as always, there's an exception, and corporations do get a 1099 if they provided you legal service. So remember, there are different types of 1099s, and they all have unique rules and thresholds. And you have to make sure that you're using the right one. All the details on the forms, go to the irs.gov, or you can connect with your tax advisor and figure out what you have to do for each form. If you still have questions, we got you covered. Head over to the resources section at alloysilverstein.com for more tips and tools to stay compliant. Starting this tax season stress-free and staying ahead of the game is super important, so get those 1099s filed on time. Your business will definitely thank you later.